Welcome to Omniful. Let's understand the process and feature of putaway. Let's get started. The process of putting an item or a bin on a location is called putaway. Putaway entails locating an available location and assigning items or bins to that specific location. This is done to maintain organized inventory management, restocking SKU, and optimizing the picking process, ensuring a smooth flow of operations. For example, after GRN, the items are there in the bins, but the put away for those items are pending. The most important point to note here is that orders cannot be received against items which are pending for put away. The available inventory increases when item is kept on a location through put away. Let's see how put away is done. In Omniful, there are two types of put away: bin put away and item put away. Let's delve into bin put away. Choose the bin put away card and select GRN as the bin put away source. You may utilize the Find Empty Location feature to identify the nearest vacant spot by scanning your current location. In this, you have to scan your current location, and on the basis of that, system directs the user to the closest empty location. This, however, is an optional step. Now, scan the bin barcode to view all SKU inside, along with their current locations if there is any within the hub. This serves as a system-generated recommendation for put away. Now, you can proceed ahead and scan the location barcode where you intend to place the bin. With this, you have completed the bin put away. Let's also understand item put away. Choose the item put away card and select the item put away source. Since GRN is selected as the source for item put away, the system prompts for the GRN bin barcode. Just like bin put away, system here also recommends the locations where the current stock of these SKU are present along with the quantities on each location. You may keep the items on recommended locations or proceed ahead to keep it on some other locations. Now, scan the relevant fields and do the same for all the items. If you are putting away the items in a bin present at the scanned location, then scan the bin barcode as well. Otherwise, you can skip this step just like I did. The put away for Nike shoes is completed. Similarly, do it for the remaining item. The system enforces scanning of few fields to maintain 100% accuracy and eliminate human errors. With this, we have completed the put away of all the items present in the bin. And there you have it, the item put away feature in Omniful. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time.